give it some throttle this time. I'm giving it maybe quarter throttle right now, 20% throttle, something like that. I'm going to let off. Dies immediately.